Multiply 250 by 70 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 7. Start one place to the left. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 5 is 35. Put 5 in this column and carry 3. 7 times 2 plus the carried 3 is 17. The second partial product is 17,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 5 is 5. In the thousands column, bring down 7. In the 10 negative thousands column, bring down 1. The whole negative number product is 17,500. So 250 times 70 is 17,500.